Hello YouTube, what is up? FocusMan75 the Gamer back at you with another video. Sorry if the camera isn't facing my face right now. It's because I'm doing a vlog on my bike. My new bike, baby. Check behind me for cars. Oh, it looks like... Hey Kyle, don't go yet. I'm about to back out. Or not, my bad, pass. But I'll get out your way. Frick. Gotta hit them brakes. Hey, which way you going?
That way.
What? I'm gonna just hold on. He definitely going south. So I'm gonna drive. And so I'm gonna bike like this. Or not, he's gonna come north. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap! That's prime snake territory. Guys, that is prime snake territory. Right down there. Don't want to crash. And that's a little stream over there. Man, it's rush hour currently here in Mississippi. By the way, BXZ Clan, aka BXZ Lightning. If you're watching this, please comment down below. I just ain't playing Roblox tonight for some reason. Oh, car coming, car coming. Get over, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap! Fucking shit. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Well, look at this. I have crashed my bike. See, it's right there. If I can't get it out of the crash site. Oh man, it's one hell of a crash. Oops, sorry for cussing. Okay. Do you want me to get online? If so, comment as soon as you see this video. Because I upload on the day I record. But I mean, geez, man. That was a pretty bad crash. Which I already crashed once. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna end this video about right. You know, I'm gonna head over to my place. That's my horn. Honky. Alright, past my RV. Frick. Well, anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. And I will see you guys later.